Welcome to another video. Now that we have made some changes in CAD and manage file versions, we're going to move into manage and organize product information. And we're going to do this step over here, generate part numbers. So that's the first step to start organizing data. For this, we're going to use a catalog. So we'll go into parts and bill of materials. And we're going to create a new catalog called My Items. If you have not done it, watch the video to create a brand new catalog. In here, we're going to set up a part numbering schema like a counter. So if you are like a startup, you are looking to set up a new startup, nothing will go wrong to have a prefix and a six-digit number. So it'll be, for example, let's say going to start at 1 and we'll end in yeah. So set up the part numbering schema. So when you add new part numbers, you'll have the first counter. Okay, notice if you already have part numbers in your CAD data, you can bring that information in directly from the information you have from CAD. In this example, we are going to organize data and generate new part numbers, assuming that your CAD data doesn't have any part numbers there. You have like drawing numbers, but part numbers are not there. So we're going to do this step over here where we are updating back to CAD information. So you can go into the SolidWorks integration settings, look at the Kickstart configuration, already have a few settings by default, like sending file name, description, configuration name, and material. Also, notice that you can select default catalog. The default one is SolidWorks items. You can select your own catalog that you just created. And let's just first generate new items. So we're going to click on generate part number. This will you can select which catalog you can generate this from and where to store that. So you can store in any of these locations for SolidWorks, custom properties on configuration specific or configuration specific properties on the part number. So mostly all the common locations. We can recursive to all sub-assemblies and generate new part numbers to all new items and do this in one go. So let's process all these items are going to change, and we're going to add the property to the SolidWorks file property called part number. So if we look, I'm showing the part number field on the tree there. So if I rebuild, you can see that is populated. The way you want to do that, you can just, for example, select that you want to see that and see it as description. It's just a quick trick there. So if you now save this data, notice that all this data is now on the SolidWorks information. So you can see on file properties that the part number has been created. And I'm going to save this and save all these changes to all the CAD files locally. Okay, so let's do this. Is saving all this information locally in SolidWorks. So it's just SolidWorks taking its time. It's completed. Now we can also smart sync these changes back to OpenBOM storage. So what we are doing is this step over here, like we from items and catalogs, we generate new part numbers. And now we created a new file version just by synchronizing these changes. So all my local data now has these new properties. And now we're going to click on Save BOM to create a new product structure and extract this information from CAD. So let's do that. We're going to click on the Create BOM button, and this is going to create this brand new structure with all the new part numbers that I have configured. So it will upload thumbnails. It will upload, so you can click on that link and you'll have your first bill of materials. So let's bring this back, and there it is, your first BOM from SolidWorks with all the new part numbers. You can also switch the view to default bill of material, and you can see all the items. Some of the items might just be uploading. It might take a bit while to get all the thumbnails, but there you have your first bill of material multi-level from all structures from SolidWorks, assemblies, sub-assemblies, and you can also visualize it straight away. So that's your first bill of material. Thank you. See you on another video.